Withdrawing money from TikTok in Kenya is a pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can withdraw money from TikTok in Kenya. For that, you simply have to go to your TikTok's application. In your TikTok application, tap on your profile. In your profile, tap on the three lines which will open the menu bar. Here you have to tap on Settings and Privacy. Now in Settings and Privacy, you have to tap on your Balance section. The balance setting should pop up and will show the amount of money that you have earned. As you can see in this example, it is showing PK, but it should show you the money according to your currency. So you just simply have to tap on that and it will tell you how to withdraw it. You just simply have to tap on withdraw. In my case, I don't have any money, but if I did, I would tap on withdraw. It will give me two payment options. The first one should be Pioneer and the second one should be PayPal. You can withdraw money using either of these. After that, you can simply transfer your money into your local banks from your Pioneer or PayPal, depending on your country. That's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.